How to make a paracord watch band King Cobra knot. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube paracord community. Today we're gonna create this beautiful paracord watch band. For today's project we're gonna use the neon green paracord 550 and the black paracord also 550. Each piece of this black here and here is around 3.3 feet or 1 meter in metric measurements. So combined we have 2 meters of black paracord and we have 2 meters of this neon green paracord. So as I said, each piece is around 3.3 feet or 1 meter in the metric measurements. We here have the 5/8 inch of a buckle and the watch, of course. Before we start, if you wanna learn how to make this very beautiful paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, the full tutorial how to make it you have in the top right corner of this video in the information cards, also down below in the description box. So first we're gonna take and make the, let me just zoom a bit so you can clearly see from the each side of our watch. And one more thing, if you wanna buy these watch adapters, the link where to buy you have down below in the description of this video. Also there you can find other paracord projects supplies. So we created our watch band base. Now we're gonna start with our weaves. I'm gonna just turn around because it's easier to weave the Cobra nut from the top side. So the neon green will be the accent color and the black will be the secondary. So we're gonna take the neon green and make it, or put it on top of those two core strands, and with the black we're gonna make it on top of the neon green, around and from the back side through the loop on the left side. Pull it, secure it, cinch it well, and proceed. Neon green on top of those two bracelet cores, the black on top of the neon green, around and from the back side through the loop. So here we reach our cow's hitch. Now we're gonna take the cords and insert it into the watch adapters. So from the top into the adapter. Now from here we're gonna take the end and pass it through this loop here and to the side. And the same with the black one. By doing this we filled, as you can see, our adapter. Now we can proceed with the Cobra nut. So on top of the core, the black on top of the neon green, from the back through the loop. And here we are, this end is finished. Now we're gonna cut off the excess of a cord, melt it down, and proceed to the other side. Now we're gonna turn to the other side. And the neon green on top of the bracelet core, etc, etc. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Until then, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye!